What is up, my dudes? I do a lot of recording here in the garage, and there's really poor lighting because there's no power out here. We've got an extension cord that comes in, but no permanent power, which makes it really hard to get good light. I mean, I got a window right there, and well, that's about it. So today, I decided we're gonna fix that issue, and for under 50 bucks, I'm gonna make it go from looking like this to this. And all I needed to do was buy two products, this and this. We're gonna put these together and just let there be light. Alright, we'll start off with the lights, which aren't the most important part about this. Yes, they're the ones that supply lights, but you can get a bunch of different versions of these. And these ones, they actually kind of remind me of one of the TIE fighters from Star Wars, but that's just my imagination going wild. Anyways, so these were on Amazon for 30 bucks. And there's more expensive ones that you can get, which I probably should have, because if we look in here, that ground is undone. So I'm gonna have to go in and solder that and reconnect it because this guy is not working. It's one of the classic you get what you pay for kind of things. The most important part though is what we've got here. These are plug-in light sockets. So like I said, I've got an extension cord that runs to the garage that we plugged a surge protector into, and we have our power that way. So you can't do this without power, but you can do this without wiring power to your garage, if that makes sense. But that's the most important part of it. There's a switch on the line, so you can just turn it on right there on the plug. I'm actually gonna splice those together and make it so it all operates off of one switch, because those are two separate units. But first, we gotta fix that light, so let's do that real quick. Alright, so I got the switch covers off so I can figure out which one's positive and which one's negative, or the ground. Positive is the one that goes to the switch. Then I measured out how far I need to go until it's up in the rafters for that cut that I'm going to make. And we're just going to send it and make that cut. There is no going back anymore. Oh wait! Nah, I'm just kidding. We're totally doing this. Alright, so now that we have that cut, we're going to cut our other one at the switch to give us as much room as possible. So now that we have that, we're going to be splicing. And don't worry, I got white tape to make this all look pretty. These two go to the socket, and this one goes to the plug. Gonna splice those together. Now we get to solder. Got some white electrical tape to make it look pretty, even though it's a garage and no one really cares. And now our positives. Alright, now we're going to let that cool off, wrap it up again, and then we'll finally be able to move on to the actual installation. Alright, we got those spliced together. We got the switch back down. Now we can actually go into hanging it up. The boards that we got come with 6 hangers, so we're going to strategically place them. That way we can get that cord out of the way. Our power comes to the side of the garage, so we're going to come up this way and mount right onto this 2x6 here. Followed by a point here. Followed by a point here where we're going to hang it. On the other end of this beam. And our final hook is going to be right here. Just using the products from Amazon alone, we were able to get the power out to each fixture and clean it up. It could look a lot cleaner, but for now this will do for what we need. Now we just put on the light fixtures and let's turn it on. Alright guys, now the moment of truth. Now that we have everything in, we're gonna hit the switch and pray that it works. Wow. Huge difference in the light that's in here. Before, when I was in here, I would have to have that garage door open every single time I was in here, otherwise I couldn't see a thing. Now with just these two lights, look at the difference in the light that's in here. It is a phenomenal difference. Now the lights that I went with, they were the 8,000 Kelvin, which is a very white light. You can go for different ones, whatever suits your needs, but these are fantastic for a garage. I recommend everybody that needs more light in their garage to get these. They're super cheap and they put out a ton of light. So thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have fun, be safe, make good choices, have a great day.